Oh, the dreaded bad alternator sounds. They're as unmistakable as they are unwelcome. When your alternator starts acting up, it's like a symphony of sorrows under your hood. The most common noise you'll hear is a growling or whining sound as the engine runs. It's not the kind of growl you'd hear from a healthy engine either. It's more like the growl of a stomach that just lost a battle with sketchy gas station sushi. But here's the kicker. The noise isn't consistent, like a soundtrack you can count on in a horror movie. It comes and goes. It's sneaky like that. See, it's tied up in the rotations. If you rev the engine and the pitch of the whining changes, it's like the alternator is singing an opera, and that's your cue to pay attention. Then there's the rattling. Oh man, the rattling. It's as if something's trying to escape from within. This can happen when the bearings within the alternator, which are supposed to glide smoother than a Portland hipster at a craft beer festival, start to fail. Listen, alternators are like that friend who only shows their true colors when things go south. You might not hear anything at all when the car isn't running, but the moment you fire up the engine, they sing their betrayal. Trust your senses. If your car's electrics start to resemble a creepy haunted house, flickering and fading lights, the alternator may be giving you the signal from behind the curtain. So, if you hear a concert of whining, growling, or rattling coming from your engine, don't tune out. It might be time to ring up your mechanic and give them a heads up. Just like Portland's unpredictable weather, car troubles have a knack for popping up when you least expect them. And there you have it. The soundscape of an alternator that's screaming for an encore of mechanical help. Keep your ears open. They just might save you a bundle.